Okay, so here we are. A few things you should notice how the stock is performing for the day. So it might be easier to see the list here as a list. As a list, you will be able to see how these individual stocks are performing. Remember, I just want to remind you that the ones that are here on my watch list at the moment, a lot of these are ETFs and they are the other stocks that I mentioned here, the 25%. The reason why I keep them on my watch list is just so if I feel that any of them is underperforming, I will probably get rid of it. But at the moment, I have not touched any of them, so I'm just keeping an eye of them on them. So whenever I log in and I check my watch list, I am able to see, how they are performing. So I hope that makes sense to you. Now, as far as the daily short term strategy, what you are doing is actually using some indicators and you're purchasing stocks before the market opens. But it's important that you understand how to read the stocks and how to work your way around everything. So let me click on here just to show you what it does. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. If you click on here, you see this comes out. If you click it again, goes away. Click on the grid, click on here, comes back. So if I click on one of these, just one time, you're going to see the number change. See that? So that's how you can see the current price. That's this one right here. See that? So I will use this one as an example. I'm not even sure which one this is. Let's take a look here. It's Johnson and Johnson, as you can see. And they do have dividend dates, as you can see. So this one is actually a dividend stock. Okay, so there are three indicators that we need to apply. As you can see, these are the indicator, the RSI, the MACD, and the VWAP indicator. So what you will want to do is actually go here on indicator. As you can see, I've already added these. So what you will want to do is actually edit indicators, and you will want to go look for those indicators and just select them, just like I did here, as you can see. Then once you have those three indicators selected, you're going to go ahead and click on done. Once you have done that, you're going to go on here and select those three indicators. So that's basically how you create those indicators. Once you have those indicators, what you want to do is go inside of it. So as I said, that's if you click on here, that's how you can see the price here. If you were to zoom this out, it will go away. But let's just go ahead and go on this one. So before anything, you have to make sure that you're viewing the correct view. Looking at it from a yearly perspective might not be the best idea. So one thing that you'll notice is that whenever it loads, you're going to think that it's completely empty, just like I have it on here. So you want to click and drag it to the right. See what I mean? Drag it to the right. When you do that, you'll be able to see everything a lot easier. So a few things you should know. If you click on here, you want to hide that. And if you click on here, you'll see that it brings this back, right? That's if you want to see it. If you click it again, it will go away. So some things that you should know. You'll notice how the indicators are actually already on. So I'll begin here, turning each one individually so you can see what happens. See that? So the VWAP creates this one. But yeah, you see that? So that's the main thing that you're going to accomplish from this video. Just set up your indicators and understand that. Make sure you're viewing it correctly. Move your graph if necessary. And then you just want to set it up. You want to zoom in. See this? I'm zooming in right now. Make sure